In this video, I'll show you how to download GTA Vice City for PC legally using the official Rockstar Games platform. The first thing we need to do is visit the official Rockstar Games website. Once you're on the website, sign in with your Rockstar Games account. If you don't have one yet, you can create one for free in just a few minutes. Next, search for Grand Theft Auto, Vice City, and open its store page. If you don't already own the game, you'll need to purchase it and add it to your library. Once the game has been added to your library, download and install the Rockstar Games launcher if you haven't already. Then, sign in using the same Rockstar Games account. Inside the launcher, open your game library, select GTA Vice City, and click Install. Then choose the installation folder and wait for the download to finish. The installation may take several minutes, depending on your internet connection and your computer's performance. Once the installation is complete, simply click play, and you'll be ready to enjoy GTA Vice City on your PC using the official Rockstar Games version. And that's it. As you can see, downloading and installing GTA Vice City for PC is a simple process when you use Rockstar Games' official platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.